Yes, sir. Sir, 1 second now, sir. We will start, sir.
I'm sharing my screen. Everyone can see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone, please confirm once.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we are in fourth unit, right? In fourth unit, we have covered till this topic today. Today we have covered this topic: influence of mineral admixture on a self-compacting concrete and fiber reinforced concrete. That means up to here we have completed. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we will discuss from here onwards influence of chemical admixtures on self-compacting concrete and fiber reinforced concrete, and then ready mix concrete we will discuss. Okay. Yeah. So let us start. So chemical admixtures, influence of chemical admixtures on self-compacting concrete and fiber reinforced concrete. So as we have already discussed in the previous class, what are the chemical examples for chemical admixtures? I will show you the previous notes here. So here these are the chemical admixtures, right? Plasticizers, superplasticizers, accelerators, retarders, air entraining agents, water reducing retarders, corrosion inhibitors, and shrinkage reducing admixtures, viscosity modifying admixtures, bonding agents. All these are chemical admixtures, right? Yeah. So what is the influence of this chemical admixture on self-compacting concrete and fiber reinforced concrete? First of all, these are the applications. So here the applications from workability and flowability point of view, we will see what is the influence. Then from segregation resistance point of view, then setting time and strength development point of view, we will see what is the influence, and durability point of view, and improved bonding, then toughness and impact resistance. First of all, from workability and flowability point of view, when we use chemical admixtures like superplastizers, etc., what is the effect on SCC? So this is the effect on self-compacting concrete. What is it? So superplasticizers reduce water cement ratio while maintaining workability, ensuring smooth flow without segregation. So superplasters are nothing but chemical admixtures, one of the chemical admixtures. What they do, they will reduce the water cement ratio. They will reduce the water cement ratio in self compacting concrete, and at the same time they will improve the workability. We all know that for more water cement ratio only we will have workability. That is a general concept, right? So here for low cement water cement ratio also we can get good amount of workability when we use super plasticizers for the self compacting concrete. That is the advantage of these chemical admixtures. So as a result there is a smooth flow of concrete without any segregation, without any separation of particles, because if there is more flowability and more workability, generally the problem is segregation problem will be there, but without getting any segregation problem we can have high workability and flowability when we use super plasticizers. So this is the effect of chemical admixture super plasticizer on self compacting concrete. Now coming to fiber reinforced concrete, super plasticizers ensure uniform fiber dispersion, mitigating workability reduction caused by fiber addiction. So what happens here? Super plasticizers will ensure uniform fiber dispersion. So in fiber reinforced concrete, we know that we will use steel fibers, glass fibers, synthetic fibers, etc. Right? So these superplasters ensure that these fibers are distributed equally, uniformly in the concrete, which will improve the workability and reduce the reduction caused by fiber addiction. So generally what happens when we use fiber in the concrete, we will not get much workability. We will not get much workability. So it is a general concept, right? When we use something in the concrete, when we add some like fibers, it cannot flow, so workability will be very less. But here when we use super plasticizers, what happens is when we use fibers, we also, even though when we add fibers, we will get more workability. Okay, that is the effect of chemical admixture on the fiber reinforced concrete. Next, let us see from segregation resistance point of view, what is the influence of chemical admixture on self-compacting concrete and fiber reinforced concrete. Now what do you mean by segregation resistance? Resistance to segregation. We all know that segregate. Are you all following?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Segregation means, so what is segregation? Anyone answer me?
Sir, to separate something, sir.
Separation of particles, ingredients in the concrete, right?
Yes, sir.
So segregation resistance means this segregation resistance to the separation of particles. Let us see for SCC, self-compacting concrete. So viscosity modifying agents increase viscosity, prevent segregation, and ensure a homogeneous mix. What is this viscosity modifying agent? This is one of the chemical admixture, like super plasticizer. It is one of the chemical admixture. So when we use viscosity modifying agent, what happens in the self-compacting concrete? It will increase the viscosity of the concrete and segregation is prevented. So when we use VMA, viscosity is increased, as a result segregation can be prevented, and therefore there will be a homogeneous mix. And in fiber reinforced concrete, when we use these chemical admixtures, what is happening? When we use viscosity modifying agents, so these are less commonly used in FRC. So these viscosity modifying agents are very less commonly used in fiber reinforced concrete, but they can aid in maintaining fiber dispersion in low viscosity mixes. In low viscosity mixes, so these VMA, they can aid in the maintain fiber dispersion, like here we have seen, no, they ensure the uniform dispersion. This VMA also, it will, what does it do? It will improve the fiber dispersion. It will not contribute much to the what is that, less commonly used. It will not used, it is not used much in FRC, but in some cases we can use this viscosity modifying agent in FRC, where in which cases, like where we need the uniform dispersion of fibers in low viscosity mixes. Coming to setting time and strength development point of view, self-compacting concrete, what is the influence of self-compacting concrete from setting time and strength development point of view? So retarders, we know that retarders and accelerators are also one of the chemical admixtures. I already discussed in the class that what does retarder do? Can anyone tell me the answer? What is the role of retarder?
Retard is the cement, sir. Hardness, sir. क्या बोलते हैं, sir, sorry.
What does
Sir,
it
it
do?
actually delays the setting time.
Yes, very good. Retarders delays the setting time and accelerators decreases the setting time. That means accelerator speeds up the hydration process.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, if we want the concrete to
34,
set
sir. Roll number
quickly,
34, sir.
to set quickly, we will use accelerators. If we want to concrete to set if we have much more time, then retarders we can use. So retarders delay the setting time for better placement in complex formwork. What do you mean by complex form works? Means where there is highly reinforced,
Compressive strength.
high reinforced reinforcement is there. That is known as complex shapes or complex form work. There we will use retarders to increase the setting time. Accelerator speeds up early strength development. So what does accelerators do? Speeds up the hydration process and contribute to the early strength for the precast element. Mainly it is used for the precast elements. I already told in the class what is precast elements. Precast elements are used generally, they are more used in the US countries or foreign countries, where directly they will manufacture beam, column and slab in the manufacturing plant, and directly they will assign in the site. Right. Now, what is the influence of chemical admixtures in fiber reinforced concrete from setting time and strength development point of view? Retarders allow better fiber alignment. So, when we use retarders, what happens is these fibers, whatever the fibers may be, steel fibers, glass fibers, etc. So, the fiber alignment will be better during the initial setting. That is the advantage of this chemical admixture retarder. Now, what is the advantage of accelerator in FRC? It improves early strength in applications requiring quick turnaround. It improves the early strength. Durability point of view, air entraining agents is also one of the chemical admixtures we have discussed in the previous classes. So, air entraining agents, what does it do? Improve the freeze thaw resistance. What is freeze thaw resistance? Anyone? Freeze thaw effect. Are you all there? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Freeze thaw effect.
Sir, snow resistance.
Yeah, water will be there inside the concrete, right? Inside the concrete, the water will become ice in some regions. So, becoming of ice, the water becoming ice inside the concrete is known as freeze thaw effect. So, this air entraining
Sir, it will
agents.
increase the strength or not, sir?
What is your question? I did not understand.
So, with this effect, it is effect means it is
No, it will
somewhat
affect the
effective
strength.
to
Yes,
the
it will affect the strength. It will decrease the strength. It will decrease the strength. Means this effect is not good for our concrete. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir. I
in
think
order,
the bubble voids will occur
yeah.
in that effect.
So in order to overcome this problem, we will add air entraining agents, chemical admixtures like air entraining agents. Okay. So and also it enhances SCC's durability in harsh environments. Then coming to FRC, chemical admixtures reduces the permeability in fiber reinforced concrete, and they improve durability in aggressive chemical and environmental conditions. So in aggressive chemical attacks, in aggressive chemical and environmental conditions, the durability will be improved when we add the chemical admixtures in the fiber reinforced concrete. This is from durability point of view. Now, from improved bonding point of view, what is the effect of self-compacting concrete? What is the effect of chemical admixtures on self-compacting concrete? Not directly applicable, but ensures uniformity of the mix, aiding reinforcement bond. So it is not directly applicable. It ensures the uniformity of mix, aiding reinforcement bond. Improved bonding on FRC. When we add superplasticizers, they improve the bond between fibers and the concrete, leading to the better crack resistance and load transfer. So when we use superplasticizers, the bonding will be increased in the fiber reinforced concrete. That is the meaning here, which results in the less cracks and load transfer. Toughness and impact resistance, last application. So what is the influence of chemical admixtures on self-compacting concrete? Is not directly applicable. This parameter is not directly applicable for self-compacting concrete. Let us go to fiber reinforced concrete. It improves toughness and ductility. So toughness and ductility are improved when we use chemical admixtures, and when used with the high strength fibers. So when we use more fibers or high strength fibers, when we use high strength fibers, it improves superplasticizers, whatever the chemical admixtures, they will improve the toughness and ductility. So these are the advantages of chemical admixtures and mineral admixtures, and influence of mineral and chemical admixtures on self compacting concrete and fiber reinforced concrete. Then coming to the ready mix concrete. Ready mix concrete, everyone knows the ready mix concrete, right? Already you have gone for the industrial visit. Yes. So ready mix concrete. What is a ready mix concrete?
RMC trucks are RMC trucks.
Yeah, RMC trucks. Okay, you can see that here also in the image. What do you mean by ready mix concrete? Ready mix concrete.
Sir,
In the
they
name
already
itself.
prepare it in
Yeah.
the location, and then they place it in the site, sir, by bringing it in the RMCs.
Yeah, very good. Who is this? Roll number?
Precast
This is
concrete, sir.
34, roll number 34,
15
Appan,
15
sir.
there. 15 for
Okay.
And आप सब आके कई कुछ क्लास में कुछ बोलते नहीं.
Okay, put off your mics, everyone.
Sir, 314 also, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Precast
Sorry, sir.
concrete,
Sorry
sir.
to disturb,
Precast
sir.
concrete.
Ready mix concrete is a specialized concrete. It is a special concrete produced. See, whenever you learn this thing, whenever you read some textbooks or any materials, you read point by point. You are try to understand the words. Okay, whenever suppose some word you are not understanding, you search in Google, what is this word? Okay, in that way try to understand the sentence, read in that way. Okay, right.
Okay.
So it is a specialized concrete. Special concrete means not a regular concrete. Regular concrete we will prepare at the site, right? So produced in a centralized batching plant. So where it produced, this ready mix concrete? It is produced in the batching plant that we have already visited, or factories under controlled conditions, and delivered to construction sites, and they are delivered to the construction sites in a ready to use form. So you can see the image here. Readily the concrete is readily brought here, and they are poured in the here reinforcement here. You can see the image here. So next point, the production process ensures consistent quality by accurately measuring and mixing the ingredients such as cement, aggregates, water and admixtures. See, during the site, when we calculate and when we mix the concrete, when we prepare the concrete, we might do some mistakes, right? Human mistakes may be there, like suppose we calculate some quantity of cement, and we may pour some different quantity of cement. That mistake may happen, like human errors, but here it will not happen. In the ready mix concrete, the production process ensures consistent quality by accurately measures accurately. Everything is computer generated, right? So it measures accurately and mixes the ingredients such as cement. We know what the concrete consists of: cement, aggregate, water and admixtures also. Just now we have studied chemical admixtures, mineral admixtures and all. Now third point, RMC is transported to construction sites in transmit mixtures. You might have seen on the road, these are the transmit mixtures which are rotating, right, which keep the concrete in motion to prevent setting before placement. So you might have seen this will be rotating during the motion of the trucks. Why? To ensure that, to prevent the setting before placement, before going to some suppose Gachibowli area for construction, before reaching that, it should not get set, right? We should be able to work with the concrete. That's why it will be in the motion. Concrete will be in the this mixture. This is known as transit mixture. It eliminates means ready mix concrete eliminates the need for on-site concrete mixing, reduces labor, and ensures uniformity in the quality. So on-site need not to prepare the concrete on-site, then it reduces the labor costs and all, and ensures that uniformity in quality. Everything is computer generated, so it ensures uniformity in quality. And after this one image you can see that what are the main features of RMC. Quality control. RMC is produced using advanced batching equipments, ensuring precise proportions and consistent quality. What does it mean? RMC is produced using Advanced batching plants, equipments. Batching equipments you have seen in the industrial visit.
Yes
Ensuring
sir, गए थे ना वहाँ पर.
ensuring precise proportions and consistent quality. Quality is not changed, quality of concrete is not changed till it reaches the construction site. Time saving, it reduces construction time by delivering pre-mixed concrete
अच्छा
directly to the site.
अच्छा
So it reduces the construction time. Generally we will when we prepare at the site, so it will take some time to prepare the concrete and pour in the reinforcement and all, but here it is time saving.
ऐसे
Efficiency,
मंदी.
eliminates the need for on-site batching, reduces waste and labor. Already this point is covered here. Durability and strength point of view. Durability and strength. Controlled production process results in better strength and durability. So we can get better strength and durability here, as it is everything is computer generated. Eco-friendly, it minimizes material wastage and dust pollution. So material wastage we can minimize using this RMC, and dust pollution also we can reduce, contributing to a cleaner construction environment. So it is RMC is a eco-friendly. What are the applications of RMC? Infrastructure, bridges. From infrastructure point of view, bridges, it is used in RMC is used in bridges and flyovers. RMC provides high strength concrete with uniform quality for larger spans. Dams, everything you can see, if you read it is easily understood. I have shared these notes, complete 4th unit notes in the group. Once go through it, okay, go through these applications. So what is there? RMC provides high strength concrete with uniform quality for larger spans. For larger spans it provides high strength concrete. And dams and tunnels, controlled production ensures durability and resistance to harsh environmental conditions. Road construction, used for concrete roads, pavements and expressways due to its uniformity. If you have any doubt you can ask me, okay. I'll go little bit fast here, as you have already you
मंजूर
know,
जिम को कब तक जाना
many
है?
of you know about this RMC. So little bit fast I will go. Dams, used in dams and tunnels and road constructions. Controlled production ensures durability and resistance to harsh environmental conditions. Used for concrete roads, pavements and expressways due to its uniformity and strength. Residential buildings also, RMC simplifies constructions for slabs, beams, columns and foundations. Ease of placement speeds up construction, especially in urban areas with space constraints. Urban areas will have space constraints, right? So especially in urban areas it is very useful. Commercial structures also, high-rise buildings and commercial complexes on RMC for its pumpable properties and consistent quality. So this RMC concrete we can pump, right? Pump the concrete. So because of that we can use this for high-rise buildings and for commercial complexes also. This RMC ensures safe and durable structures.
Sir, one question.
Yes.
Sir, how long the pump can go, sir? How many floors?
How many floors?
100 floors, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
depending on the requirement. See, the truck has some capacity, right? So according to that capacity only it will produce the concrete. If you want more trucks has to come to bring the concrete, and continuously
I think, sir,
this is transmitted
I think,
to
sir,
the high-rise building floors.
Irfan labor.
Industrial, yeah, industrial projects under used for constructing. Yeah, any doubt?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Used for constructing factory floors, foundation and heavy duty industrial structures, requires high compressive strength and resistance to wear and tear. Specialized applications, SCC, that we have already studied. What is SCC? Self-compacting concrete, produced for complex structures and heavily reinforced sections. Lightweight concrete, this we will study in the next unit. Lightweight concrete and high performance concrete. So these used in non-load bearing elements such as partitions and cladding. Do you know cladding? The layer of walls on the outer layer
Yes,
of the
sir.
walls.
Another layer of the wall, sir.
Yeah. High performance concrete supplies high performance concrete for structures requiring exceptional strength and durability. and in precast elements, extensively used in producing precast components like blocks, panels, pipes, and railway sleepers. If you want to know what is blocks, panels, pipes, if you have doubt, if you want to know more, just copy and put in the Google and see the images. Panels, precast panels,
From
railway sleepers. Okay, in that way you should gain the knowledge. You will, if you see the images and all,
Irfan
then
Lever.
it will go directly into your brain. You will remember for a long time. So
Yes,
these
sir.
are the advantages of RMC. Already we have discussed this point: consistency in quality, reducing labor and cost,
Yes,
faster
sir.
construction,
In the
environmental
class.
friendly. Yeah. So this is the last topic. I think we can discuss in the class, or shall we discuss here itself? Let us complete this fourth
In the
unit.
class, sir.
Just
Sir, in the
last topic is there.
Quran, don't disturb, please.
Only last topic. This last topic is there. We will complete. We can complete this entire fourth unit with this topic. We'll complete it just in 5 minutes. Properties of fly ash, silica fume. Next topic is properties of fly ash,
Are the
silica
class
fume,
here,
and
or?
rice ash. So you can see here table: fly ash, silica fume, and rice ash. What is the definition of fly ash? Already we have discussed. It is produced from the coal industries.
Sir, waste material of the industry, sir.
Yes, coal industry. And silica
industry.
fume,
Yes, sir.
it is from alloy,
And factories
Well
also, sir.
done, Fauzan. Well done.
byproduct of silicon
Thank
and
you, thank you.
ferrosilicon alloy production. And rice
Sir, I have a
ash
doubt.
is a agricultural industry waste. Yes, what is your doubt?
Hamza doubt, sir.
Yes, you can ask. No doubt.
Ask Hamza, why are we wasting time? It's important,
Yes,
you
sir.
know.
Hamza is doing, sir.
So what is the chemical composition of fly ash? SiO2, Al2O3, Fe2O3, and mainly calcium oxide. Then in silica fume, it is composed of SiO2 with a high percentage of amorphous silica.
What is A plus B, sir?
What? Rice husk ash. It contains SiO2, K2O, potassium oxide, calcium oxide, and magnesium oxide. And what is the color of fly ash? It is light gray to dark gray. You can see in the image. Silica fume, dark gray to black color, and it is rice husk ash, agriculture waste. Light to dark gray. What is the particle size? 10 to 100 microns of fly ash. And then this is for smaller than 1 micron silica fume, and this is 1 to 10 microns. Specific gravity values for fly ash, silica fume, and rice husk ash. Pozzolanic activity high. What is mean by pozzolanic activity? I already told that these are used in the cement. These are added in the cement for 10% as 10%, 20%, 30% is like that. So high reacts with lime to form CSH compounds. This fly ash can react with lime to form CSH compound, which is mainly responsible for the strength of the concrete. Then silica fume, it is very highly reactive due to high amorphous silica content. Because of high silica content, it is very highly reactive, and which results to high strength. And coming to rice husk ash, it is moderate to high pozzolanic activity. It reacts moderately, not as much as fly ash and silica. Pozzolanic activity depending on the combustion process. Compressive strength. Fly ash will improve compressive strength, especially in the long-term strength. Long-term means you can say after 28 days. Silica fume significantly influences strength, particularly at early stages, whereas rice husk ash can improve strength, especially in blended concrete. Blended concrete means mixed concrete. That means replacing this rice husk ash in the cement. Workability point of view. Fly ash can improve workability by reducing water demand. By reducing water content, fly ash can improve workability. Next, silica fume can improve workability due to its fine particles. Then, improves rice husk ash also improves workability but may reduce flowability if not properly processed. You know what is flowability? Ability to flow. Flowability is nothing but ability to flow the concrete, right? It improves workability but it may reduce the flowability because of some particles will be there here. It is agriculture wastage, right? So due to that it improves workability
that one,
but reduce
sir,
flowability.
Sir, that one like slime, sir. It will run off.
Which one?
Sir, as you are saying, no, sir,
Rice as
workability
cash.
that will run. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So like it is slimy shape, sir.
yeah, it is like ash only, but some agriculture waste will be there during the rice mill. In the rice mill production, you might have seen rice during the
Yeah,
rice
yeah.
production of rice in the rice mill. There we can find these rice as cash. You can once Google and see
Okay.
what is
Okay,
it
sir.
exactly. Durability point of view, fly ash increases durability by reducing permeability and mitigating alkali silica reaction, and silica fume increases durability. Also rice as cash also improves the resistance to sulfate attacks, chloride penetration and cracking. Then from heat of hydration point of view, fly ash will reduce heat of hydration, and silica fume slightly reduces heat of hydration but improves performance of concrete in massive structures. And rice as
Sir,
cash
how much
helps.
cost per ton, sir?
Which one?
This fly ash.
Fly ash, silica fume, rice as cash
How
are
much
the
cost?
byproduct. Yeah, I'm explaining that only. They are the byproducts. That means they are the wastage in the product. Suppose fly ash, it is a wastage in the production of coal. Okay, it is a wastage. So all wastage means it will not be generally. It is very less cost only. But if we go there,
Okay,
it
sir.
is a waste. But if from here, if you want to buy from some companies and all, it is almost little bit lesser than cement only.
Okay,
Little
okay,
bit
sir.
lesser than cement only compared to the cost,
सबसे कम मेरा कम
because
तो
they are the
मेरा कम
waste.
किसका है?
They are the waste products. Like, okay, they are the waste products. They are the byproducts.
Okay, sir.
Increases, where are we here? Reduces, slightly reduces heat of hydration, improving concrete performance, and helps reduce heat generation in mass concrete. Rice as cash. Shrinkage, fly ash will reduce shrinkage and cracks over time. Silica fume will significantly reduce shrinkage and improve long term performance. Rice as cash reduces, so everything, so almost all these fly ash, silica fume and rice as cash will have almost similar properties, not same, similar. See here, reduces shrinkage, reduces shrinkage, reduces shrinkage, because they are the admixtures, they are the mineral admixtures. Water demand, fly ash will reduce water demand, and silica fume also reduces water content, and can reduce, what is this, rice as cash also can reduce water demand. Advantages, already these we have studied here in the previous classes. You can see advantages. Fly ash advantages: enhance long term strength, reduces permeability, environment friendly, cost effective. Silica fume advantages: high pozzolanic activity, enhances, improves early strength, improves durability, reduces heat of hydration. Rice as cash reduces environmental impact by recycling waste material, improves strength and durability, cost effective, reduces heat generation in large pores. Now what are the disadvantages? This we have not yet till now we have not discussed. Some disadvantages are there for fly ash, silica fume and rice as cash. Fly ash may cause some carbonation over time. Carbonation means carbon related issues. Carbonation quality varies depending on source. If not all fly ash are same, I already told you, class C fly ash is there, class A fly ash is there. There are a lot of varieties in fly ash also. So quality of the concrete will vary depending upon the source, depending upon the type of fly ash. That is one of the disadvantage. Then silica fume is little bit costly, high cost, requires careful handling due to fine particles. Because of fine particle size, we should handle it carefully. Rice as cash is very limited, available very limitedly in some regions. It is not available in all regions, rice as cash. That is one of the disadvantage. Quality can vary depending upon the burning process. Applications: fly ash is used in concrete, high strength concrete and self compacting concrete. For soil stabilization, fly ash is used in road construction. Silica fume is used in high performance concrete like bridges, highways, structures. In aggressive environments, aggressive environment means in the environment where there is a more chance of chemical attacks. Next, special concrete mixtures for industrial applications. Rice as cash is used in concrete production, particularly in rural areas, because in rural areas we can find more agriculture wastage. That is why. in urban areas is not much available. Used in combination with cement for mortar and concrete, and waste management in rice producing regions. So this is about properties of fly ash, silica fume, and rice cash. You can see the syllabus here. So with this we have completed the 4th unit also. Okay. So okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood. Understood, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So just
Attendance, sir. Attendance.
yeah. So what we have studied in this 4th unit, just a small revision, just in 2 minutes quickly we'll do some revision. First we have discussed admixtures, what is admixtures, and we have discussed what is various types of admixtures, mineral and chemical admixtures. Mineral admixtures are in
Yes.
like powder form, chemical admixtures are liquid form. Comparison between
sir.
mineral and admixtures, and we have discussed
Yes.
in the class. And then
Yes, sir.
what are mineral admixtures? Examples like fly ash, silica fume, GGBS, metakaolin, rice cash.
Sir, a fun की DP
Everything
लगाए,
we
sir,
have
a fun की
discussed
DP
in
लगाए.
detail. Source, properties and applications. Then chemical admixtures we have discussed. Plasticizer, super
Yes,
plasticizer,
sir.
everything we have discussed. Then in yesterday's class we have
Everything,
discussed
sir.
500
self
DP,
Sir,
a
only
fun
100 MB
concrete,
data left, sir. Please take
and then
attendance, no, sir.
fiber reinforced concrete we have discussed. Then influence of mineral and chemical admixtures
data,
on
what you are
SCC
doing
and
is
FRC, and then RMC,
Huh?
and then application of RMC, and then properties of fly ash, silica fume, and
naughty boy.
rice cash. So I have shared these notes in the group. Once go through these
Okay,
notes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Front.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir, you already
Yes,
said,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Vikas,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Front.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any
Sir,
doubts?
only 100
Hey,
MB data
Mithe,
left, sir.
Ray.
Please, sir.
Sir, attendance.
Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
मुक्तादिर
I
भैया.
have
Sir,
taken
actually,
I have taken the
clarified class.
screenshot of those who have present. Even though you tell me your roll numbers, everyone. I will note down.
15 present, sir. 15. 1
Sir,
5.
34.
313 is absent, sir.
34
313 is
apart,
absent.
sir.
27
From
west.
starting
West.
onwards. Roll number 1.
एक के बाद एक के बाद
नहीं
एक.
मंडी संडी जो भी
Roll number
थोड़ा
1.
बोला उनकी.
By 314 है तो पहले
1 absent.
सर ये निजाम वाले आ जा रहे सर.
Sir, we all
Sir,
will
sir,
type our roll numbers
313
and send
absent.
it there.
Roll number 1.
Sir, I will send you on WhatsApp, sir. I have
Okay,
sent, sir.
one of
मैं
you.
तो गिराक दिख रहे सर की डीपी में.
Buran.
Sorry, sir.
Asim is there. Asim is there. CR is there. Okay, Buran,
No,
you
sir,
send
we
me.
are not
Sir, I have
available.
sent you the
Buran,
screenshot, sir.
will send me the attendance. Buran will send me the attendance. Fauzan,
good morning.
you also send me the attendance. Okay.
Okay.
फौजान is very good student sir.
Hey
Sir,
guys,
34
I'm under
sir,
the
present,
water.
sir.
Please help me.
Okay, then I think we can end our class. It is 7:45 now. If you want to
Yes, sir.
just go through the notes. If you have any doubts, ask me.
Sir, only 100 MB data left, sir.
Ah,
Please,
okay,
sir,
you can
attendance,
leave.
sir.
No issue. Fun.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we can conclude the class.
Sir, what do- how
Those who
do I-
have
how do
doubts, only they can stay here. I will clarify your doubts.
Sir, I am asking hotspot from stranger. No data left. Your class was very important sir.
Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Remaining can leave.
Sir, I am driving it, sir.
Ray Mithe, Ray Pinky.
Sir, attendance, sir.
Yeah, Buran has sent me. Buran has sent me. I am noting down the attendance.
Buran is
Don't
absent
worry
sir. Buran.
about attendance. Don't
Buran
worry
absent,
about attendance.
Buran
Yeah.
मेरा roll
Sir, very good class sir. Bye.
Buran मेरा roll number मालूम 25
बुरान डालो मेरा
One
बुरान मेरा अटेंडेंस डालो बुरान बुरान
Buran
Sir, we are going to make this a fish market. So you can leave.
Yeah,
Buran, Buran.
thank you, sir. Thank you for taking
Buran,
such
DP
a
में तो
nice
चमक रहे हैं.
session.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye. Have a good
Thank
night.
you,
Have a
Bye,
nice
sir.
day.
Bye,
Okay,
sir.
bye. Sunil.
Bye. Eat well, sleep well, read well.
Okay, sir. Sir, no data
You
left,
also,
sir. What
sir,
to do,
sir,
sir?
you are looking like a
सुबह
star in the class
दावत नहीं
today,
मिलेगी.
sir.
सुबह दावत नहीं मिलेगी.
What?
पानी में करने.
Very hot.
Sir, internet खत्म हो गया, sir. दारू sir.
ताली को छोड़ दो. ताली को ले लो.
Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Remaining can leave.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye.
No, sir, no doubt. Very good explanation, sir. 5-star
Thank you.
rating.
Bye.
If sir is teaching, then no doubt, sir.
If you get doubts, then only I
If
think that
Vikas
you have
sir is
understood.
teaching, no doubt left in
Sir,
body.
what is concrete, sir?
Okay then,
I am driving in traffic, sir.
Yeah, I'm leaving. Okay, thank you, everyone. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
పిల్లలు చూడు